Hey guys, Tom here from Growth Hacker, and in this video I'd like to talk about LinkedIn lead generation. Now, this is such a hot service at the moment and something that is really in demand. Everyone's attention is on LinkedIn. LinkedIn stats have gone up a lot since COVID in terms of engagement levels. And of course, with LinkedIn, you can really engage with people who are exactly your niche based on their role, industry, company size, all of that good stuff. Okay, so in this video, I want to show you how to target your niche and how to generate leads so that you can book multiple appointments every single week through LinkedIn. This is one of the main ways that I get clients and something that is really successful and also is successful for my clients as well. So I hope you find this useful. And let's dive into the laptop now to take a look. Okay, so this process starts by identifying your niche in LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So I would click here, all filters. So let's say that I wanted to find a coach, but someone who works in the management consultancy field. So I would normally just choose one country. So let's go UK here. I'm going to choose an industry. So we wanted management consultants. And then it is a good idea to go with second degree connections, just because when we start to automate this and we start to use tools to automate, if we go third degree, our account can get flagged, so that isn't a good idea. Seniority level, I would probably look to go for owner and partner for the decision, to make sure that I get the decision maker. And then I would normally go with a company headcount of relatively small businesses are the ones that I would typically work with. So you want a result here of around 1,000. You can add more things in if you want to, like you could put years in current position if you wanted new founders and that sort of thing, and then press search. Now, what that will do is that will produce a result. You can then take this LinkedIn URL and put that into your automation tool. If you'd like to know the automation tool that I'm using, reach out to me directly. And then what we can do from there is get our LinkedIn messages within our automation tool. We can get our LinkedIn messages set up. So this is just a little bit of a guide for you guys about how I structure my messages. I send 4 messages out. The connection message first goes to all of those people that we just identified in Sales Navigator, and then subject to the connection being accepted, these messages will then run. The chain gets stopped if anyone replies at any point. But I think the reason why I want to show you guys this is that this is not really salesy copy. It's quite short messages. It's quite conversational. It's like a little note, because if I go very salesy and put a load of links in there, I am not going to get many replies. You need to keep this very conversational and very light. So what I typically find is this message here is the one that gets the most replies. So you don't want to come across as a pushy salesperson. Otherwise, you're not going to get any response. You need to just try and start conversations with people, and then after you have sent these messages, when you get a reply, keep the conversation going. If you're trying to book people into a call, then that should come maybe 1, 2, 3 messages later after these automated messages have been sent. Don't make the mistake of putting your link to your booking page or whatever it might be, or to write a really long message. So that is a little bit of a guide, guys. If you would like to get these LinkedIn lead generation strategies set up, I can help you with that. I do a program to get you started with it. I can provide you with the tools. We can even handle all of your LinkedIn for you if you want. I'm getting multiple calls every single week, sometimes every single day, using these techniques, and it's a great way to get new business, particularly if you're in the B2B space or you have a high ticket item. So I hope you find this useful, and I'll see you in the next video.